Hello everybody. Today at Foamworks we are going to show you how to patch the Eifs exterior cladding system due to hail damage. And as you can see here, we got the scaffold set up. The windows are taped and masked off. The ground is taped. And what we got going here is we're pre-filling any of the spots where the hail hit the wall with a adhesive base coat. As you can see, it damaged the finish through the mud and left a mesh and foam exposed. So what we're going to do is pre-fill all these with mud. We'll brush the edges out. Then we're going to skim coat the entire surface again so we can reapply a stow swirl finish to get the same texture that it had originally.